Alright, so how I routed my zero gauge wire. I got a Mazdaspeed 3, 2007. I used to route, I had it routed prior from the battery, ran along the backside parallel to the firewall, but being that the exhaust is right there, I wound up cooking the wire and into my through the firewall to where I have my amp under the seat, passenger side. This is what I actually did to my wire. Yeah, it was damn near shorting out, so swapped it out. So the new route: power, fuse box, heat shrink right here, run along the front. There's a nice space right here, right in front of the car. Go out there, zip tied it here, keep it from hitting any of the belts. Zip tied it here, and it's going straight through my firewall back there. Okay, that's about it. It's the best solution for me. Hopefully I won't have any more cooked wires and preventing it from getting a short, so that's what I did. Alright.